Core Present is a phenomenal tool that comes inside KB Core and it works great. So we're going to use this today and I'm going to show you how to go through a listing presentation through Core Present. And the main purpose for this video is going to be integrated into one of my systems, which is part of my pre-listing package. And from this, we're going to include the CMA portion of it, the pitch sheet portion of it, and the market stats portion of it. All right, so to make this really simple, we're just going to walk through the process of creating a presentation. So we simply come over here into Core Present. You can find it inside your KV Core. I'll show that on a different video. Listing presentation. So we're going to start here on sellers. We're going to throw in the address and we're going to use Woods Edge Circle, which is property I know over here in Suffolk, Virginia. And we can skip a whole bunch and skip straight to the presentation, but we're not going to because I want you to see how this is done. So we're going to go to comparable details. Now we can manually do this. We can automatically do it. The great thing about Core Present is it's pretty good. So we're going to come in and we just want to double check everything mainly. All right. We're looking at single family homes. All right. Bedroom count on this one is 4. We're confirming a lot of this stuff. The square footage is 1956. It's actually 1957, but we'll leave it there. That's perfectly fine. We also want to make sure the variance. So 20% up and down. That's pretty good for this one. Sometimes you might have to play with it. If you look here, we got no coming soons because rain doesn't allow it. 3 active matches, 3 pending matches, and 9 sold. So we're good here. If we weren't, we might want to bump that up a little bit. All right. Year built 2002. That's good. Close date, we want things that are closed within 6 months. If this was a little too low, you can change that to get a couple more solds, expanding that out. Or you can go out in distance. And then lot size, I never change this one. That's just me. All right, so we're going to go into the CMA side of it. And this is set to 1 mile. So now that we're inside the CMA section here, we can enter on price, price range, or those type of things. So we've got that going and it's going to show you right here, average pending, average closed comps, and active comps. And one thing I like to point out to people is you see there's a large delta here. I mean, you've got almost $40,000 difference between zone listed. So you're going to have to actually look at the properties to get a more refined, but it gives you a nice visual to show the sellers of, hey, here's the pendings, here's this. Now, there may be a fixer-upper in here, and you might have the top of the market here. All right, average listing, fresh, square footage, pace of sales, 28 days. So there's a lot of great information that comes out of here. So I'm not going to create just the CMA. We're going to create the whole presentation. So simply click that button. You see how easy this is going? We're only 3 minutes in. We got most of this done. So there's 11 slides and 6 presentations. I don't want all this, so we're going to go through it step by step. We can upload an image of the house. I personally use a different cover sheet than this one, but if you wanted to, you just go to image and you select the file. All right, go to next. This page right here, I never use. The reason I never use it is the typical FSBO home sells for an average of 40% less than assisted. This is a false stat. All these FSBO things that come in here, most luxury homes, they sell with agents because they see the value in an agent. And if you start saying, okay, the average home in my market is 300,000 to 400,000, and we have these 900 to $1 million homes that have agents, that's going to skew the numbers. So click the X, I take that out. All right, so this one right here, I leave this page in here because this shows where these houses are at, where your target home is at, and it shows the specs on what you're using as you go forward. Then we have that simple page right there that says, hey, here's all your different comps at them and where the averages are falling at. All right. And we're not looking for all the meats and potatoes of the specific properties. We'll do that separately. All right. Then our averages on what's going on the market. I really like this sheet. I have a different version as well that's shaped as a triangle. So it takes this entire thing and flips it upside down. But basically this page is saying, hey, if we price at market value, 60% of the buyers in the market are looking right there. So you got the people that will overpay for a property because they want that specific house or that specific location or that specific school district, or they want it move-in ready with all these specific features. You have the people that, hey, I just want to pay what the house is worth. But if you can price that house just 10% below value, if it's a $300,000 house, if the buyer feels that they're saving $30,000 on it, even if that is a concession going to them, you just open that pool up to 75% of all buyers. So it's a conversation worth having. It's a strategic pricing conversation. So I love leaving that in there. So it's a good conversation to have. So this page here is great to have when it actually has colors in it. Suffolk is a highly desirable area and things don't stay on the market long. You saw it was 28 days. So I'm going to take it out of this one. But you've got the low to high on number of buyers looking in the area. So we're going to drop this guy out just to make it smaller. All right, so this is the pitch page, and I like this one just because it gives an idea. So I'm Joe Grant with eXp Realty and Sell with Joe Grant. Now, one day I might be with a different brokerage, but I don't see that happening. Currently, I'm with eXp. Well, online engagement, this is engaging with the entire brokerage. This is engaging in the area. This is engaging specifically at Suffolk, and these are people that are looking online actively with eXp at the moment, not necessarily in my database, but looking for homes that fall in this category for this house in this price range in Suffolk. There's 18 currently looking with just eXp alone. There's 21 that are looking up to 1 million that are looking in that area. And you can see it over here and it grays out that stuff. So I like putting it in there because it just gives people an idea that you have all these people globally looking and it brings it down. All right, marketing plan. This is always something good to review and go over, but it goes into, hey, virtual tours, creating websites, sending out mailers, email campaigns, social media campaigns, and actually doing marketing, not just putting the house on the market and hoping disposition through the MLS will do it. This page I take out. This is core social. It's something extra. It's part of core present. I don't necessarily use it, so I take this out. All right. One page that I try to take out, but it never lets me, is this last page here. I don't like this page because of this button right here. If you send a digital version out, it's I need more time/info. I don't want that there. I try to ask people the questions before we get into the presentation side. That way I'm answering all of the prospective listing clients questions up front and then going through the presentation. So it's just a natural continuation to close. And then, hey, let's get started. All right, so now you can present and share PDF or web version. I like the PDF because I want to print this thing out, but now I can remove this page from the thing. So present and share. And all I have to do is wait for it to be done and hit download. And that is how to use Core Present to create your CMA, to create the pick sheet, to have your market stats and show just a little bit of a marketing plan. I use a different marketing plan in mind, but that just gives you a great insight on using Core Present. If you have any questions, feel free to shoot me an email, shoot me a text. I'm always happy to help. Have a great day. Again, I'm Joe Grant with Sell with Joe Grant.